Hello guys, welcome back with me, Cho 2025. Today we're going to talk about how to use VACE in WAN video in ComfyUI. VACE and WAN is almost the same with Controlnet and Animate Diff, where you can process other video, change it into OpenPose, depth or other type, and use it to influence your video generation. The first step is to install WAN video in your ComfyUI. Here, how to install WAN for Comfy. First, go the upper part of the page, click code, and copy the link by clicking the copy button. Access the custom nodes folder in ComfyUI. Open command prompt from there by typing CMD in the address bar. Click enter. Right git clone and right click to paste the link. Click enter to copy the custom node. After that, right view cd dot enter and do it again for the second time. So you reach Comfy portable folder. The folder where Python embedded folder located. Now we need to install the requirement. Follow the step on the screen to install the requirement, or simply copy, paste the script from the GitHub page. While we are waiting, and download the workflow and open it in ComfyUI. After all is finished, restart your ComfyUI. Now that we have one video, download the VACE workflow, link on video description. Open the workflow. Here are a few settings to optimize the speed. First, if you have Triton for Windows, connect the inductor. Then make sure to connect block swap args from video block swap node to the model loader. This will reducing VRAM usage considerably, and in my case also increase the speed. In model loader, make sure to select the model. If you don't have one, the workflow provide the link. Save the model in model/diffusion model folder. Set base precision FP16 fast. Select the quantization. And since I have Sage Attention, I use Sage Attention is attention mode. As DPA will also work, but it feel more slowly using that. Select VAE and Beef16 text and code. You could use quantization on this. Make sure to also download VACE model for the one. Use the link on the workflow. Save also the VACE model in models/diffusion model. Here, the first example using depth and like mimic motion, you need to write a prompt. Detail 1, or else it will somehow screw you. Here's an example. We could also use OpenPose, like using DW OpenPose. Also, you should remove the extra padding. Set it to 0. Bypass or remove the depth node and add DW OpenPose. Connect it like in the video. Here are the results. If you have a result with wireframe, you could write in negative prompt frame OpenPose and wire OpenPose increase CFFE to 5. Now here, a comparison between WAN with VACE and Mimic Motion. I reduced the frame rate of the source to be 15. We can always interpolate later. As you can see, Mimic Motion mostly is better, but at some video, WAN with VACE is better. But it has some kind of artiface. To reduce this artifact, you need to generate max 8.1 frame. So we will split the video. Here is an example. I reduced the framework to 10, so it will need less frame. The result is less artifact. Also create better prompt with Florence 2 captioning. Also, you could split the generation to A1 frame with 15 frame rate. Make sure to use the last image as the first frame of the next video, but keep the reference image. Here are the results. And I also add fix, upscale, interpolate, and sharpen. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode, and have a nice day. Please subscribe.